Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the book work given at the end of the chapter, and the name of the chapter is Glimpses of India, third part, Tea from Assam. First, look at these words: upkeep, downpour, undergo, drop out, walk in. They are built up from a verb. Keep, pour, go, drop, walk, and an adverb or a particle: up, down, under, out, in. Use these words appropriately in the sentences below. You may consult a dictionary. First, a heavy dash has been forecast due to low pressure in the Bay of Bengal, and we will fill downpour. Our answer will be downpour. Second, Rakesh will dash major surgery tomorrow morning, and we will fill undergo. Our answer will be undergo. Third, my brother is responsible for the dash of our family property, and our answer will be upkeep. Fourth part, the dash rate for this accountancy course is very high, and you will fill dropout. Fifth, she went to the enterprise company to attend a dash interview, and you will fill walk in. Next, now fill in the blanks in the sentences given below by combining the verb given in the brackets with one of the words from the box as appropriate. First, the army attempted unsuccessfully to dash the government, and the word given in bracket is throw. So, you will fill overthrow. Second, scientists are on the brink of a major dash in cancer research, and in bracket the word is break. So, you will fill breakthrough. Number 3, the state government plans to build a dash for Bhubaneswar to speed up traffic on the main highway, and the word is given pass. So, you will fill bypass. Fourth, Gautama's dash on life changed when he realized that the world is full of sorrow, and the word is look. You will fill outlook. Fifth, Rakesh seemed unusually dash after the game, and the word is cast. You will fill downcast. Next, think of suitable ing or ed adjectives to answer the following questions. You may also use words from those given above. How would you describe? First, a good detective serial on television. Your answer will be interesting. Second, a debate on your favorite topic, homework should be banned, and the answer is exciting. Third, how you feel when you stay indoors due to incessant rain, and the answer is bored. Fourth, how you feel when you open a present, and the answer will be excited. Fifth, how you feel when you watch your favorite program on television, excited. Six, the look on your mother's face as you waited in a queue, and the answer will be boring. Seventh, how you feel when tracking a tiger in a tiger reserve forest, and the answer will be exciting. Eighth, the story you have recently read or a film you have seen. And the answer will be interesting, or you may say boring. Now we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. First question, what excited Rajveer? Why did Pranjal not share his excitement? And the answer is, Rajveer was greatly excited to see tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. It was a magnificent scene. Pranjal did not share Rajveer's excitement because he had been born and brought up on a tea plantation. Next question, question number 2. In what way is Rajveer different from his friend Pranjal? Answer, Rajveer has keen sense of observation. He takes interest in his surroundings. He is knowledgeable and curious by nature. Pranjal, on the other hand, is bookish by nature. He lacks the sense of curiosity. Question 3. Narrate the legend about the origin of tea in China. Answer, according to a legend, a Chinese emperor always boiled water before drinking it. One day, a few leaves of the twigs burning under the pot fell into the water. They gave it a delicious flavor. It is said they were tea leaves. Next, what is the Chinese legend regarding tea? Answer, it is thought that tea was first drunk in China as far back as 2700 BC. Words like chai and chini are from Chinese. Tea came to Europe only in the 16th century. Next, what is the Indian legend about tea? Answer will be, according to an Indian legend, Bodhidharma, an ancient Buddhist ascetic, cut off his eyelids. 10 tea plants grew out of the eyelids. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water and drunk, banished sleep. Next, what did Rajveer notice in a tea state? And the answer will be, in Jaikia tea state, Rajveer saw tea bushes on both sides of the gravel road. The bushes were all pruned to the same height. Tea pluckers with bamboo baskets on their backs were plucking the newly sprouted leaves. Next, why did Pranjal's father praise Rajveer? And the answer is, Rajveer had done his homework well before coming to Assam. He knew that this was the sprouting period, which lasts from May to July and yields the best tea. This knowledge made Pranjal's father praise Rajveer. So, these are the short answer questions. Thank you.